Coach Kaitlin, and today we're going to learn how to kick. Do you know how to kick in the pool? Well, today we're going to teach you how to kick your fastest.
Super fast!
You can practice with us in the pool, in the bath, or even on a pillow. Always ask your adult for permission before being around or getting into any water. Never be around water alone. Before we try kicking, we have to make sure that our legs are in the right spot. When we kick in the pool, we want our legs to be super floaty at the top of the water. We call these floaty legs. Can you say floaty legs?
Floaty legs!
When we kick with floaty legs, it makes lots of splashes and helps you swim so fast. If you're swimming with us today, put your hands on the stairs and see if you can make your legs floaty. We call these standing legs. Can you say standing legs?
Standing legs.
When we try to kick with standing legs, our feet are really close to the bottom and they don't make any splashes. They don't help you swim very fast. Let's review. Do we kick with standing legs or floaty legs? That's right, we kick with floaty legs. Now that we know where our legs go, we need to learn what our legs should look like. When we kick, we want our legs to be nice and long. Do you have long legs? Wow, those are really long legs. Long legs kick the water. Bendy legs kick the air. We want to just kick the water, so make sure that your legs are super long. Floaty long legs will make us so fast. But do you want to learn how to make us even faster?
Yes!
We've learned where our legs go and what they should look like. Now we need to know what to do with our feet. To kick super fast, we want our feet to be floppy, like a fish. This is stiff, like a robot. This is floppy, like a fish. Try it with us.
Boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep.
Now let's see if we can make our feet floppy. No robot feet. Stiff feet cut through the water. Floppy feet push the water back. Let's go practice.
That was nice.
Let's review. Do we kick with standing legs or floaty legs? That's right, we kick with floaty legs. Do we kick with long legs or bendy legs? You got it, long legs. Now for the final test. Do we kick with floppy feet or stiff feet? Yes, we kick with floppy feet, like a fish. You did awesome. Come back next time to practice with us and to try out some new equipment and really cool toys. Thanks for joining us.